For professionals who demand the best, meet the Titanium Field Torch Kit. The ultimate flat roofing torch kit designed to get the job done fast, safe, and efficiently. Featuring a 70mm titanium burner and a 24-inch torch wand with an integrated stand, this kit delivers unparalleled heat and precision. Smooth, one-handed flame adjustment with our elite torch handle means you stay in control. No fumbling, no delays, just pure performance. With a 25-foot propane hose and a 60 psi adjustable regulator, this CSA certified kit is ready to work right out of the box. Every component, from the torch wand to the single flint spark lighter, is built for professionals who refuse to compromise. Power, precision, performance. The Titanium Field Torch Kit.
Built battle strong.